One of the greatest benefits of technology is having a tremendous amount of data and a tremendous amount of different systems that give us a very good direction on what's happening within certain pieces of our fleet.
What's different about Safety Suite is it takes all of your driver data and puts it into one single solution. What this does is helps you unlock insights that you've never had before. When you have the full 360-degree view of driver behavior, at the click of a button, you know exactly what your drivers are doing every single time.
And what we do is we take all of that rich data and we put it into the historical data that's been collected by Idelic over the past 20 years. And then we've applied machine learning and predictive analysis to all of those data points.
We take data across fleets spanning thousands of drivers and a decade or more of event history. And we apply statistical methods to predict what's going to happen in the near future as far as how risky those drivers are and how likely they are to get into an accident.
We're always enhancing, so we don't have an algorithm. We have hundreds of algorithms that evaluate the data and turn the data into different models that give our data scientists opportunities to look at the data differently to determine the best viewpoint. As we're always changing and as we're always adding to, we're able to tweak the models, change the models so that we're always getting a little bit better.
When we score drivers and put them on a watch list, it means that their recent behavior fits a pattern that we've seen in the past is indicative that a driver might be at risk of getting into a preventable accident in the near future. By building a data-driven watch list using our machine learning models, we can eliminate the bias that creeps in when you know a driver personally, when you know that driver's family, his history, you know how you interacted with him as an individual. There may also be biases across terminals, across job descriptions, and we can help you get rid of that by using actual data to tell us whether that driver is someone that you need to be concerned about.
After we create that watch list, we have a robust performance management program inside that actually attaches to a driver. So if I identify a driver as being at risk, and let's just say we notice a lot of speeding, we can assign a performance plan around speeding for that particular driver. We can monitor several, truthfully, hundreds of different tasks associated with that particular performance plan. It could be anything from a training to ride along to a performance review discussions, and it can go for any duration of time that any of our customers like.
We sit in the middle of that entire ecosystem of your drivers. As a company, we're data agnostic. We can integrate to and pull in all of that data that you're trying to get a hold of and make sense of it and make every other system and every other process that you have throughout your company more valuable and bring a strong ROI to each and every one of those processes because we can actually turn that data into insights. And I think that's one of the most important things and one of the most unique things that we do as a company.
At Idelic, we are passionate about safety. The roads that carry the drivers of our customers are also traveled by our loved ones, our friends, and our families. This makes it that much more important to ensure that everyone is safe.